Andito kayo ngayon, nag-iibigan, nagmamahalan. Ang sabi ng Diyos, love one another as I love you. Kung ano ang pag-ibig na ipinakita ng Diyos sa atin, ganun din sana ang pag-ibig na ipakita ninyo sa isa't isa. Ang pag-ibig na handang magsakripisyo para sa pamilya. John and Era, good luck and congratulations.
I think the universe is on my side. Heaven and earth have finally aligned. Days are good, and that's the way it should be. You sprinkle stardust on my pillowcase. It's like a moonbeam brushed across my face. Nights are good, and that's the way it should be. You make me sing ooh, la la la. You make a girl go ooh, I'm in love, love. Did you see that shooting star tonight? Were you dazzled by the same constellation? Did you and Jupiter conspire to get me? I think you and the moon and Neptune got it right. 'Cause now I'm shining bright, so bright, bright, so bright, bright, so bright.
Ira, do you take John, your present, to be your lawful husband according to the rites of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
John, do you take Ira, your present, to be your lawful wife according to the rites of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.